Okay, now this is definitely some cool girl hair. I guess she has some type of coloring that she uses that changes with the heat temperature. So it kind of changes up with blow drying the hair. I think that is so innovative and cool. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. Loving this pixie hair change. I adore the shape and texture of this particular pixie style. It has a nice layered cut to it. Beautiful side swept bangs to frame out the face. Very nice. So then we move into hairstyle number 3. This one looks like it does feature an undercut. A little bit of color being added. Gorgeous undercut style. Very nice shape and texture with that as well. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Wow, I really like the feather effect, the curling, such a cute style. And then we see this red and black bob haircuts. This is a gorgeous hair shade as well. Followed by someone getting some layers to their hair. And then we have this cut refresh of this undercut style. I really like the green color that she has going there, the design, such an edgy and modern hairstyle idea. Next up, we have another color refresh. So it looks like she ended up getting some layers put in. Beautiful butterfly cuts with this deep red hair color. Very nice. And this is a very popular hair shade, especially for the upcoming fall season. Gorgeous. Very nice. Next up, we have someone else getting a bob. So she's getting like a longer bob with some layers put in, some face framing curtain bangs. Very nice. And her hair looks so thick and full, especially with the layers. Wow, look at the volume within this bob. This is absolutely unreal gorgeous. Very nice. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.